Okay, welcome to this product demonstration for the Alltest DSD 865, which is the equivalent of the Wonfo DSW 765. Now this pack, we just rotate round onto the end. Catalogue reference for this is the DSD 865. It's a 6-drug oral fluid or saliva test screening for cannabis, amphetamine, benzodiazepines, opiates, methamphetamine and cannabis. It's a CE marked full pack. If we open this up to show you the contents and design of this test, contents are a full manufacturer's data sheet giving you procedural advice, results interpretation, cross-reactive and non-cross-reactive data sets. You get a set of security seals should you wish to seal the saliva sample to send for confirmation. You get 25 saliva collectors, which are sterile. These are standard collection swabs on sticks, very firm and rigid when they're dry. The transfer collection vials, you get 25 of these, which can be labelled with date and initials, so they're identifiable. Procedure for this is to unscrew the top. The swab, when wet, gets squeezed out into the bottom. You've got an indicator on here with a marker. It's very faint to see on camera, but you have got an indicator of the amount of saliva collected. Once squeezed out, the lid is reapplied, and then the dropper is used to apply saliva into the test wells by squeezing the vial on the base. So that's the design for the saliva transfer. And then you have 25 of the individual saliva test cassettes, which we'll demonstrate for you in a second and show you the procedure for these. So that is the pack of 25. The pack size, this is important. The DSWs used to be a 20 test pack. The DSDs have now moved. The equivalent pack is a 25 test carton. So when you're coming to repurchase these and you're familiar with the DSWs, you may think there's been a price hike. There hasn't. It's an increase in pack size from a 20 to a 25. The unit cost has actually been maintained or lowered. So in part 2 of this video, we'll actually show you one of these tests being proceeded.